Pranam Swamiji. Uh, we have Today we are with another interesting topic, which is how to facing problem gracefully. So this is a very interesting topic, and problems are to everyone and anyone. So this is always a challenge whenever we are surrounded by circumstances and situations which are causing problem to us. So please tell us, Swamiji, something on this topic as facing problem gracefully. Or
Okay, okay. So today's topic, facing problems gracefully, is the first thing we have to know that problem-free life is an illusion. That means everybody have the problem. Everybody has the problem and everybody have the problem. Nobody is free from the problem. This is the fact. Problem-free life is an illusion. So accept this fact and mentally ready to move for or how to face the problem. First, accept. Yes, how problem is created. See, any situation when not able to accept that particular situation, particular man, particular place, then arises problems. That means it is related to the mind. Mind is not ready to accept certain things. It may be a place, maybe a person, maybe other things. So, non-acceptance of the situation or the place create problem in the life. Then arises problem. So, if problem is related to the mind, outside nothing is there. So, key point is adjust your mind to face the problem. So, problem, as you say, varies person to person, and it is everybody has. For a school student, there is a problem. Married life, there is a problem. Old life, there is a problem. That means A to Z, everybody has the problem in different stages of the life. But problem varies person to person. For any situation, any fact, problem varies person to person. Because depending on the nature of the mind. So, this is the truth. Then another thing, that the moment we have a problem, that particular moment we started thinking, we are totally upset, suffering. And I am only the suffering. I am only the sufferer. Nobody is the sufferer in the world. This is called limited vision. Problem, the moment problem arises, our vision becomes limited. Limited within surrounding my body and I. That time, that mind is so restless, I am the person suffering such a way. God, why God has given that such problem to me alone? To me alone. That is the limited vision that we are seeing ourselves only. But if you see beyond your limited vision, that is God, expansion, then you see so many people are suffering. Not only you, Some are suffering even worse than you. So another way, just expand your vision. Don't limit your vision when you are in the problem. Just try to see around you in the world and see that expand your vision. That means see the other people how they are suffering, and how they are also like you. So this comparison will help you to reduce your problem. That there is a beautiful examples. See, we have seen the house, the roof. Roof is supported by 8, 10 pillars. That means distribution of the load. So when problem arises in your mind, you just distribute it. How? Seeing the same problems, even more intense problem, others people are having. This is another technique. Then you can face the problem with smiling face, sharing, just expanding your vision, not limited vision. Some we began to say, expand your life. I say, expand your mind. Expand your mind. See the other people, others suffering, or others are. And another beautiful way is there. When you play, there is opponent party is there. But we don't think it is a problem. We take it as challenges. Their opponent party is there. You may be defeated. But we don't take as a problem. It is a challenge. I have to face it. The moment you take your problem as a challenge, not problem as a problem. Problem is a challenge, that enough strength and encouragement, motivation will get from within, which you get from during play. Motivation, courage, strength. These three things comes when you change problem as a challenge in the life. And God has given the opportunity to take this challenge. So take the situation as the challenge. Another point, interesting point is that when there is a problem, it is this problem, due to problem, mind react. Due to problem, mind react. Reaction to the problem, it suffers us. If you more react, you are more sufferer. If you less react to the problems, you are less sufferer. That means reaction of the mind to the problems. That is another most important point, that this control, if we reduce the reaction due to problem, then we have a less problem. Take an example. In a road accident, certainly a boy passed away. Parents came to know and they are very much suffered. They are very much upset and suffer. But the control of the accident parents don't have, because they don't know the time, how it has happened, what has happened. No control over the accident or the situation, no control. Even we don't have also. But we have a control of the reaction. Reaction, the mind react. So a reaction we can control. The control of the reaction we have. but control of the situation, that accident situation is not within us. So there is a very important point, that control, how to control mind. The more control mind means, the more power we have. You have less react in a particular situation which you don't like. When we do not accept the situation, then rises problem. Every problem changes yourself. After the problem, you are not the same person. You are little different in thinking, speaking, talking. That is another opportunity. That problem how changes people. But the most important factor to control, face the problem with the smiling face is the reaction, control of the mind. You see the Mahatma Gandhi, how much problem he faced. Take Swami Vivekananda, problem, whole life up to date is a problem. But he faced all these problems with a smiling face. Mahatma Gandhi, he also same way faced all problems, big problems, national problems, because they have a well control of the mind, reaction is less. Because of the control of the mind, reaction is less, so facing the problem with a smiling face. That unless you have a mental strength, mental courage which come from the control of the mind, how can you face it? How much mental courage and strength Swamiji had and Mahatma Gandhi had? That big problem they have saved it. So control of the mind is the more powerful factor in solving the problem. So how to improve the strength of the mind and courage? That is the key factor to solve or handle the problem with gracefully or smile face. In order to strengthen your mind, encourage your mind, you have to live a moral life, disciplined life. It does not come from indisciplined, immoral life. See the life standards we have. So, discipline, moral life is necessary to increase the mental strength and control the mind. So everybody should practice SDM, Satsanga, discipline, life, and meditation. These are three essential pillars to control the mind and to enhance our mental strength and power and energy. It is essential. Unless we increase the mental strength, we cannot control our reaction, emotion, so you cannot face the problem. You can only face the problem you have with a courage and mental strength. Mainly mental strength. You can face the problem with a smiling face. Okay?
Yes, Swamiji. We have we seen nicely. You have elaborated very well on facing problems gracefully. Just for the benefit of our viewers, I wish to discuss one example and your comment on that, so that we will understand the exercise very well. So I am here with an example. Suppose, like, for example, when we work in the society or when we are living in a big family, there are people who like us and there are people who do not like us. So even in office, even in society, we have to work with people who do not like us. So there is some amount of difference of opinion, difference of understanding, and in the organization, in the institute, even in big family, we have to get along with them. So for some people this is a problem. So you have elaborated so many points. So how to look at this type of problem? Could you add few tips as
That means you have to explain that creation of problems you have told in a particular angle. That is also problems. You are
yes,
not able to accept the fact. A particular situation is happening, we are not able to accept the fact. But how to tackle that particular environment, some people, that depends on you individually. There is no such thing that same particular rule will apply to you. At these particular situation you are telling, that kind of situations may happen to others. But answer is that how much you have a control of the emotion, understanding of the people to react. Reaction is most important in particular situation. Unlike people who does not like you, you are along with him. So if your balanced mind and control mind is there, you don't bother for that. You bother for your duty and the work you are doing. Let them do not love them, but you should not hate and you should not be disturbed by that, because no reaction will be less. How to reduce the reaction? You have the control of the mind, so a problem will be less.
yes,
And
Swami.
so the same, you have to reduce the reaction in
Yes,
any situation. And depending on the mental strength and courage, you have to handle the situation and handle the person.
yes. Thank you very much, Swamiji. You have nicely covered it. Thank you indeed. Thank you.